Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today in this class, that is 8. Tomorrow we have class that is on 8. Okay, we'll putting you fresh video. Okay, accordingly, we will discuss yesterday. We will be discussing about manufacturing industries. We have discussed about the introduction of industries and the definition of industries and the classification of industries. Apart from that, and what are the factors required to establish ideal for industry? Which are the factors essential for growth of an industry? All these points we have discussed. So this class today we will continue this topic, that is 7/1/2021 last time subject geography. In this class the same topic, that is manufacturing industries, will continue with this in the class. So this is, of course, this topic is eliminated from this year board examinations. Out of 30% syllabus, this topic is not there. But at the same time, there will be a map pointing from this class. There will be a map pointing. So we'll make 1 mark for map list. So we will discuss related to the important identity plans in India. This is very important for map pointing. Please, all the children, please very carefully listen. This is very important for your map pointing. So the following are important identity plans in India. Important identity plans in India. Number one is Salem, Bhadravati, Vijayanagar, Visakhapatnam, Beloy, Rourkela, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Balapur, and Durgapur. These are the important identity plans in India. But from your side, what you should learn is these important identity plans, where it is located. So and so identity plant located in the state of. You must know where this so and so plant is located. Iron plant is located in the state of. So that in the examination time, they give you the exact point. You should write the name of the iron plant. Correct? We will show the arrow mark. They will give you the iron steel plant. Now, you should write the name of the iron steel plant. So therefore, you should know iron steel plant name and where it is located. State and name. Here I am going to give you. Clear? Please make a note, write down, and carefully please go through. It is very important for map point 1 mark. Number 1, Salem iron steel plant located in Tamil Nadu. Salem is located in Tamil Nadu. Then Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka. Bhadravati and Vijayanagar both are located in Karnataka. Salem iron steel plant where it is Tamil Nadu. Vijayanagar and Bhadravati, yes, it is in Karnataka. Then come to Visakhapatnam. When you come to Visakhapatnam iron steel plant, or you can say Vizag, that is in Andhra Pradesh. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam iron steel plant is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Then come to Billai. Billai iron steel located in Chhattisgarh. Then come to Rourkela, that is Odisha. ODISS, Odisha, ODISS, Odisha. Then come to Jamshedpur, it is in Jharkhand. Bokaro, that is in Bihar. Bokaro is in Bihar. Then come to Bhopur and Durgapur. These are isolated. Yes, these are the important islands located in India, children. The last two, look at the following additional lands in India. Here, Salem, where it is Tamil Nadu, Bhadravati, Karnataka, Vijayanagar, Karnataka, Visakhapatnam additional lands located in Andhra Pradesh. Then Billai located in Chhattisgarh. Then Roorkela additional land located in Odisha. Roorkela additional land located in Odisha. Then Jamshedpur additional land located in where it is Jharkhand. Then come to Bokaro additional land located in Bihar. Next, Berhampur additional land located in West Bengal. Then Durgapur additional located in West Bengal. These are the most important identity plants in India. Important identity plants in India are this. So, examination point of view, maximum they will ask you about this. One is Billai, Roorkela, Jamshedpur, Bokaro. Fifth one is Durgapur, and sixth one is Visakhapatnam. Sometimes even they ask you Salem. So rest, as you know, this Bhadravati and Vijayanagar, you know, this both are located in Karnataka, right? So these are the example point of view maximum is asked earlier question papers. So children, we have to concentrate about first is Jharkhand. Jharkhand, which are the instruments are there? Yes, that is Jamshedpur. Jharkhand, Jamshedpur. Remember here blind indication also. Jharkhand, Jamshedpur. Spelling even JHA or KHAND Jharkhand. Jamshedpur, JHAM SHED starts from both answers. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Clear? And Bokaro is located in Bihar. Bokaro identical plants located in Bihar. Clear? Jharkhand is over. Now come to the Chhattisgarh. When you talk about Chhattisgarh, Billai, BHILAI, Billai. This Billai identical plants located Chhattisgarh. Billai iron steel plant. Identical plant located in Chhattisgarh. Billai identical plants located in Chhattisgarh. Then come to Burnpur. Burnpur is in West Bengal. Durgapur, West Bengal. Durgapur is very important. You know, Durga Puja celebrated in the state of Dash, West Bengal. Right? Even according to Hindu festivals, in general knowledge, many times we ask this question. Durga Puja is celebrated by Dash state. Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh. So it is West Bengal. So here you can see the Durgapur iron steel plant located in the state of West Bengal. Durgapur iron steel plant located in the state of West Bengal. Right? Yes. Now come to Bokaro. Bokaro is Bihar. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Roorkela, Odisha. And Billai, Chhattisgarh. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Vijayanagar, Karnataka. Bhadravati, Karnataka. And Salem, Tamil Nadu. So these are the important iron steel plants in India. Children, once again I am telling you, please write down one by one. And use yourself, you have to by heart the names. You have to repeat your names. This is not only important for your board examinations, it is very important for your general knowledge. You can update for your current affairs. Many times competitive examinations, they will ask you the important iron steel plants in India are, yes, this. Other than this, there is no important iron steel plants in India, yes. So therefore, I am telling you, please concentrate. And this is 1 mark must for your board examinations. Clear? Right. Now I have given both the names as well as the states where these located, important iron steel plants located in the state of, in the country of India. Imported industrial plants. Yes. Tell me, Sushmita, where is Salem industrial plant located? Tamil Nadu. Very good. So Salem industrial plants located in Salem. Salem industrial plant located in Tamil Nadu. Salem industrial plants located in Tamil Nadu. Next, Vishwanath. Jamshedpur iron steel plants located in the state of. Yes, Vishwanath. Yes, it is Jharkhand. Jamshedpur iron steel plants located in the state of Jharkhand. Because examination time, they will give you just outline map. Even down they will give index, and even they will ask you iron steel plants in India. They will mark it there. They will mark and they will show the arrow mark. Yes, iron steel plant of India. So you have to, against the arrow mark, you have to do only name of the iron steel. Just you write down the name. Yes, if it is in Jharkhand, arrow mark, if it is there in Jharkhand, you write down Jamshedpur. Understood that it is a Jamshedpur iron steel plant. Same arrow mark if it is there in Tamil Nadu, that it is a Salem iron steel plant. Same arrow mark if it is there in Karnataka, it is Vijayanagar iron steel plant. So arrow mark must be like this. Examination point of view, so will be not write all this and show the arrow mark. Here you should write Salem. Yes, Salem iron steel plant is understood. Salem is understood. Iron steel plants located in Tamil Nadu. Clear? This is very important. This is for 1 mark. This is very important for 1 mark. Manufacturing industries. Imported iron steel plants in India. Yes. Salem, Tamil Nadu, Bhadravati, Karnataka, Vijayanagar, Karnataka, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bhilai, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, Bokaro, Bihar, Barampur, West Bengal, Durgapur, West Bengal. So how many are here? There are total. Yes, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are total 10 these. There are total 10 iron steel plants are there in India. Yes. Is it clear now? Till now, if anybody is not understanding, unable to mark these iron steel plants of India, please raise your hands. Because it is not very difficult thing as compared to mathematics. Very easy thing is just if you listen, concentrate. All the name of the iron steel plants is remember. Yes, Salem, Tamil Nadu, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, Rourkela, Orissa, Barampur, West Bengal, Durgapur, West Bengal, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagar, Karnataka, Bhadravati, Karnataka, Bokaro, Bihar. So this is how, if you practice, if you say on yourself, ask yourself, the state where the so-and-so iron steel plant located, name of the iron steel plants and state. One side, even write down all the iron steel plants. The opposite direction, write all the states, and you can write down even match the following. Yes. So this is how you can learn easily. One side you can write down the match the following. Another side you can write down the what? States. Another side you can write down the name of the iron steel plant. So easily we can mark. This is how we can learn. This is a way how we can learn these magic formulas. So this is. So from this topic, even though this topic is not there for board examination, the questions will not be asked from the topic, but compulsory map will be there. Compulsory will be a map. So please listen carefully, my dear children. In geography, how many topics are not there? 3. Next, number 1 is water sources. Second is mineral resources, and next one is this is manufacturing industries. Correct? So you have to be very careful. But even then, they are going to ask you to map from these topics. That means they are not deleted any topic. Correct? What should be there? Is it clear? Important identified plants of Indians. Mark the following industries. I mean to say identified plants in India. Mark the following identified plants in India. Salem, that is in Tamil Nadu. Vijayanagar, Karnataka. Bhadravati, Karnataka. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Billai, where it is Chhattisgarh. Roorkela, it is in Odisha. Jamshedpur, it is in Jharkhand. Bokaro, it is in Bihar. Malampur, West Bengal, and Durgapur is West Bengal. Any doubt, please? Still, if you have any doubt, I will repeat once again, please. I hope 100% everybody knows the important agricultural plants of India, and map work is related to your map work on the topic manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries, right? This is next class video, that is on 8 January 2010. You can see this video. Yes, this is the fresh videos. Respected Vice Principal has told you already to show the fresh videos, because old videos you people are not visiting. You people are not seeing the old videos, thinking that all the same topic will be there. So this is related to, we are putting only for the sake of examination, so that we can concentrate more and useful for examinations. Clear? Any doubt, please? This is related to identified plants of India.